Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Indian style mashed zucchini. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 medium to small size zucchinis, 1 medium onion chopped, quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 red chili cut into small pieces, salt to taste, and 4 cloves of grated garlic. The first thing you need to do is prepare your zucchinis. Take 1 zucchini at a time, cut the ends off, cut them in half and then into quarters, and then cut them into small pieces and put them in a dish. And repeat this with the remaining zucchinis. I have finished cutting up all my zucchinis. Now it's time to cook them. Put a pot on medium heat, add some oil and heat it for 30 seconds. Add chopped onions, garlic and chilies. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Make sure you do not burn the onions or the zucchini will not retain its green color. Add zucchini, 1 teaspoon of salt and water. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes or until the zucchinis are soft, stirring it twice during cooking. My zucchinis are soft. It took me 8 minutes. Turn the heat off and mash it using a potato masher. Put the heat back on, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. I just need a little bit more salt. After adding the salt, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute and turn the heat off. My Indian style mashed zucchini is ready and you can serve it with rice, drizzled with some ghee on the top or some roti and your favorite pickle. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.